So we have a new intruder. He seems to be permanently in residence here, and he's very noisy but also very shy. I imagine you can hear him. He does this all day long. As soon as he sees me, whenever he sees me, he's gone. Just gonna see if I can capture him. See? He's gone. And then you can't hear anything. Until he thinks it's safe again, and then off he starts. Let's see if we can catch him again. He's back around the other side. Can you hear him? Constant. Thing is, there's loads of birds that look the same. They don't continue to do this. That might sound strange, but I wonder if this bird has the equivalent of Tourettes. And what he's saying is, "Oi, clear off! Oi, clear off! Oi, clear off!" Now, where is he? I think he's on the other side of the road. There he is. This is him. He's on the other side of the road. Look at him. Non-stop. Why? He's gone.